guys, it's Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Mazda CX5, stock number 6938. This ran from the 2nd 2013 to the 12th 2016. Here's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight, right front door curve, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,